Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open Task Manager and History in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. For this, you have to click on your empty taskbar. Here you can see Task Manager. By clicking it, you can open your Task Manager. So here you can see all of your task manager. And then now if you want to see your task history, then click on this clock icon. By clicking here, you can create a new task. That's it. So this is how you can open task manager and task history in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.